Valentina Gonzalez, co-author of the book Reading and Writing with English Learners, a framework for K through 5th grade. The seeds for this book were planted in my life many years ago when I was in the classroom as a student, looking out at all the other kids who were bonding with their books and reading, and I was sitting there wondering, what are they doing? Why are they so into the books that they're reading? Later, when I became a teacher myself, I still found myself wondering how to serve students who are learning English. Even though I myself was an English learner when I was a kid, that didn't mean that I knew exactly how to teach English learners in my classroom. My hope is this book helps teachers and specialists and district leaders understand how to accommodate, scaffold, and serve English learners in reading and writing classrooms across the world.